Advice to the parents. The parents now, realize that Allah Azza wa Jal has given you a role. That role is not to be a dictator. That role is not to control each and every matter of the lives of your children, but that role is that of murabbi. That role is that of a nourisher. And that nourishment will be a lot when it's a seedling. And as the seedling grows, that nourishment will minimize. This is what your role is. So don't think short term, think long term. Think what's going to happen to this child 15, 20 years down the line if I treat him in this manner versus that manner. Don't think short term, think long term. Remember that your child might go ways and do things you don't like, but in the long run, you want your child to have this perception, I can always go back to my mother and father no matter what I do. You don't want your child to, as soon as they're independent, leave the house. And that's what's happening. A number of households, we know this. I know places where as soon as the kids found a job, because the home environment was so stifling, they hated it so much, they just disappeared. Realize that thinking long term will save you in this regard. Your role is to provide an atmosphere of love, an atmosphere of comfort. No doubt you will be strict at times, but think long term even when it comes to the strictness.